In this example, we're going to redo the same example from the previous video. We're going to prove it in a different technique. We're going to use strong induction instead of regular induction or weak induction. So we're going to prove all postage amounts of at least 8 cents can be achieved or formed using 3-cent stamps and 5-cent stamps. And remember, we have an unlimited supply of 3-cent stamps and 5-cent stamps. So by strong induction, the base case is going to change. We are going to do 3 base cases. We're going to say, let's see, what letter will I use? I'll use n equal 8, n equal 9, n equal 10. We're going to show that 8 cents, what did we say 8 was? A 5 plus 3. I could even say 1 times 3 plus 1 times 5. 9 would be 3 times 3. 10 would be 2 times 5. So we proved 3 base cases. And why do I need to prove 3 base cases out of, why not 8 or 6 or 2? Well, I went to the smaller of the 2 stamp sizes. Once I get 3 in a row, 8, 9, and 10, I know I can get 11 because I know 8 has been done, and I can just add a 3-cent stamp to it. 12, I know 9 has been done, can be formed, just add a 3-cent stamp to that. So that's our base case. So a little bit more than just 1. We're going to do 3 of them in a row. Now the induction hypothesis. Suppose all amounts of postage, 8, 9, 10, all the way up to K, can be formed. Now it's possible that K is the number 10, right? 8, 9, 10, that would mean those just shrink into 10, and that's perfectly fine. But we know for sure that K is at least 10. Okay, since K minus 2 cents postage can be formed. Because remember, that's because K is greater than or equal to 10, and we know we can go back to 8. So we're assuming that 8, 9, 10, all the way up to K, so you know you can go back 2, and you're still in this set. It's not going to bring you back to 7. Since K minus 2 cents postage can be formed, since K is greater than or equal to 10, just add 1 3-cent stamp to achieve or to form K plus 1 cents postage. Done. So on this type of a problem, I think you'll agree that strong induction is simpler than the weaker induction or regular induction, where you had to break it into 2 cases. Say, well, if we had a 5-cent stamp, then we would do this. Otherwise, we would do something different. This one is pretty straightforward.